niteekateka kusaakoze zindi zize zikore ki
Ndyamusiimanta ojwekire Orikukurira za SACCO zoona omwihanga asiimire emirimo eriyo neekorwa Butuuro SACCO kandi yayihanangiriza abarikwenda kugiteera hansi okubireka ngu ahabw'okuba omurimo ogu SACCO egi ekozire nigureebwa.
So next time you have issues, radio, don't even go to court. You're wasting your time and money. Emitwe operators, we believe in what? Arbitration. We are there to solve these issues. You'll go to court, you'll waste a lot of time, you'll waste a lot of money, you'll waste all the reputation itself.
Abokubasa kweje ineba elders, barebe kugenda mu banko, ineba founders, nabo bari mu line yabo, ineba promoters, nabo bari mu line yabo. Abokuba policies zabo zuruho. Kandi bazikuratara.
But you cannot say mushtukwetaga kumanya abantu the founders ngobo tumekuwa tubateka kuri bata, they should not say anything. That is very wrong. I think there was a mission and a vision why you started this, isn't it? Yes, that one we have to be very clear. Aro muntu nasako mbekenzo teine msingi.
Ndyamusiimanta ashabire ba memba ba Butuuro SACCO okureka kurikiriza engambo eziri kubiha maramwa.
You know, when the Butuuro comes down, what is going to happen? It is the grass that suffers. And who is the grass? The grass is the member of Butuuro SACCO. The grass is your 65 employees. Your stakeholders are all going to suffer. Butuuro kwera rugeho, what next?
Kandi ubushobozi bw'umupira kubukozesa je tugume twino businje mu board, twino businje on founders, twino businje on promoters, twino businje on regional leaders, eshonda zone on elders, everywhere where Butuuro touches ntuzakuba tugendera ombuteka.
Ogu hona yorekere okukwatwaho ahabw'enkwe ezigenderire okuteera hansi SACCO egi kandi obwo eriyo neekora emirimo mirungi.
Nangwa kyabaje nindeba ba lawyers mwamuryaha mwareki ba members bacwamu imwe mbere mujwekera ba because ba membe mshangwa tuba kukimanya ba memba bataho guideline okubiraje because yesterday I was on scene court ngoro zikora tabaho
Imwe bantu barya kamba buzi memba wena nabasa kurya ngo business yawe tichishire mazima iki kintu memba osheme kuba no kunda SACCO yawe osheme kuba no protectinga osheme kuba no jihorereza osheme kuba no jihereza kitini samazima.
Ba memba bachimikire ebibuuzo baroya bomoriyo natabangura SACCO yabo ngu babagambire abo barikujekera omukooti batyo baroya bazorazora misho.
This SACCO, it is a cooperative yabantu, it is member owned, member governed, member controlled. Court tekwija kureta chairman ekamuto mutebe abo kumutamunabo.
Omwaka oguhwire Butuuro SACCO ekakora enshaji ya shilingi bilioni 1 na milioni 724 ya hazaroni za bilioni 16 na milioni 499 hamwe na share capital eya shilingi bilioni 4 kandi ine ba memba omutwaro gumwe kanana 556 gashakwa Michael Atwachiri.